LED 3 watt x 16, total wattage 48 watt. Output 3360 lumens. Beam pattern 12-degree spot, 30-degree spread, waterproof connectors. Color temperature 6000 K. LED life 50,000 hours. Housing extruded aluminum. Onboard thermal management protected against RFI, EMC interference. IP67 rated. Single light with wiring harness. Fit type universal fit. Hilites C-Series LED lights are an affordable entry level of LED lights and LED light bars worthy of carrying the KC name. The extremely compact 3 inches C3 is available in spot and flood beam patterns. The C-Series LED light bars are available in 10 inches, 20 inches, 30 inches, 40 inches and 50 inches widths. The wide selection of sizes makes these lights very versatile. Top reviews from the United States. Good light bar. Nice bright light bar that will fit the Fab 4 Vengeance bumper that was designed for the much more expensive Rigid brand.